TravelAndEarnClub.com.
Good day and welcome to the Travel and Earn Club channel. I'm Olusegun Ogedengbe, your travel consultant and business coach. So we are talking on a series from ideas to empire. How do you build your business from an idea to an empire? And today I'm going to be talking about upselling. See you after the break.
TinPocket.com.
Alright, welcome back. So what is upselling? As an ingredient to moving from an idea to an empire. What is upselling? In the layman's language, upselling is convincing your customer to buy more than they intend to buy. Now, you need to understand that the customers are the soul of that business. They are the soul of that business. The more you have, the more money you make. Now, how do you now get them to spend more money than what they've been spending before? And I'm going to share a little example. Have you been to, say, ShopRite or a shopping mall lately? You will find out that there are some items that are placed at the checking out point, and those items are items that your change can carry. So you take 1,000 naira to ShopRite, and then you want to leave and take 300 naira change, and there is sneakers somewhere, there is sweets. But you also find out that children magazines, chocolate sweets, all those things are usually at the exit point. The reason is so that you won't take that change. Everything in their capacity to make sure you don't take that change, that is what they are doing, and they would put it there for you to buy and see, and so that you can take it away. And that's what we call upselling. I was at ShopRite in Ibadan the other day, and I discovered that where they put fresh bread, on it they put peanut butter. On another stand where there is fresh bread, on it they put Blue Band products and all these products there. What does that mean? If you buy bread, you buy butter. Have you ever noticed that even though there is a separate drink section at ShopRite, opposite where they sell food, there is a refrigerator there that is filled with soft drinks? Now, these are upselling. Now, understanding upselling is not enough, but you need to think through how you can input upselling into your own business. What are the complementary products that you can sell? If somebody is buying something from me, what else can I sell to the person? So I'm selling wares and attires. Is it possible for me to sell jewelry such that this person can buy from me? Is it possible for me to sell slippers so that they can buy from me? Another example of upselling is this. Have you ever noticed that when you are hungry and you want to go to a restaurant, what is in your mind is, I want to eat rice? Now, most times you don't conclude what part of rice, what ingredients, what other things you want to eat with it. But on getting to the restaurant, you will see jollof rice and fried rice. So they start to play with your emotions. You say, okay, give me a portion of jollof rice, give me a portion of fried rice. And then you see coleslaw chilling somewhere in the refrigerator. And you say, okay, can I have coleslaw with it? And then you see hot moi moi being displayed. I say, can I have moi moi with it? Okay, just add a little bit of plantain with it. Can I have eggs? Can I have momo? And before you know it, what you intended to spend 2,000 naira on, you're already spending 5,000 naira on. Okay, so you move from a $5 budget to a $20 budget real quick in a twinkle of an eye. How did that happen? It's upselling, selling complementary products. So the plantain, the pomo, the what's it called, the coleslaw, they are complementary products to the rice itself, itself. So no one says that I want to go and eat coleslaw and plantain. No, most times you want to eat rice. So those ones are complementary. Have you ever noticed that Coca-Cola is going about and doing adverts, and they will put amala and ewedu plus cold coke and you see the coke that is sweating? Now, logically, after eating in that restaurant 4 to 5 times, you find out that you will eat hot amala and then you make a request for coke. That is upselling. Now, you need to look into this upselling strategy and start to understand, how can I get my customers to buy more from me? How can I get my customers to buy more from me? And as you do that, you find out that you start making more money. I remain your business coach. Olusegun Ogedengbe is my name. If you've enjoyed this, like, share, comment, and switch on the notification button, and I'll get to see you in the next episode. Go make some money.